Hello viewers, welcome to another gold analysis video. In this video, we will analyze the gold chart based on the price action and structure mainly. We will also discuss important fundamental factors that can affect gold movement in upcoming days. Next week is extremely important. As you all know, it's the year end. There could be a lot of volatility, so be careful while risking your capital or simply just avoid trading this week. We already keep discussing important key levels in gold on our Telegram channel, and the link is given in the description as well for you all to join. Here is the weekly chart that I see here, and as you can all see that this weekly candle has closed bullish, but rejection from the bottom side as well as some rejection from the top side as well, right? And we had a doji. Previously, we had another undecisive kind of bearish candle. This candle body has closed above the previous candle bodies, right? So we are above the resistance mainly. But if we are going to look at the daily setup, the daily is forming a very nice pin bar to the downside, right? A big rejection candle from the top, whereas this candle on Thursday was absolutely bullish, and we had a Wednesday FOMC move that pushed the price to the top side, right? Now let's have a look at 4-hour chart, right? So if I'm going to draw my levels and my zones on this 4-hour chart, we all can see that we had a good price rejection from the same area where we have rejected earlier as well. Almost the same area. Look at there. 1, 2, 3 rejections from the same zone, which was a nice resistance zone. And what happened at the top is we again come up and got rejected at 1813-ish area, right? So I was trading FOMC live, and we bought in this area on the rejection candle, have secured 500 pips up. My live MT4 trade snapshot is also available on my Instagram link. Please have a look if you want to understand how did we take an entry, right? And then what do we have here? There were constant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and almost 11 bullish 4-hour candles with whatsoever no retracement. So it was just a vertical steep move to the top side. Many traders were trying to sell at different levels, important key levels, but gold did not want to sell until it came up to this strong level of 1813, 1814-ish area right here, looking on the left hand side, you see. So it came up all the way and then started making a rejection candle. I again have taken an entry based on a smaller time frame from this level, and right now good pips up, and then I entered 2 more positions for the sell straight away, which I'll be securing very soon. My stop loss is always at break even once I'm trailing my stop loss and the position pushes downwards towards my TP. Now, what move should we be expecting on Monday? That is an important question, right? So my analysis says that we have a trend line here, or we have another important zone right here, 91, 92 area, right? Where we tapped into 1, 2, 3 times. So whenever there is a strong resistance, it can turn into a nice support, right? So price can come down to this area and show us some sort of reaction. So keep this in mind. And then we also broke above this trend line while moving to the top side. So I'm going to also keep this trend line in my mind. Wherever we are going to come and tap into this area, there could be a buy setup could be formed here, small time, or maybe all the way to the top side. You never know, right? I'm not sure if price is going to be bullish from here or is it going to be bearish from now on. So it could be anywhere here to the top side, 20, 22, or even I must say 30 area at the top. So that is one scenario, because this 30 zone is an important level Most recently, it was not, last FOMC and after that it was not respected, but we cannot ignore this, right? So when price comes here, you have to keep that in your mind. So it could be either this move to the top side or the move to anywhere here in the middle and then continue to the bottom side, right? Now, what could be the other factor? All right, everybody. So it is the best to keep in mind, always in mind, the higher time frames before you analyze the chart, before you enter any position for buy or sell, right? Always manage your risk. That is very, very important as well. So as you can all see that price rejected from 1812-ish area during NY on Friday, it has left the bullish momentum, and finally after long 11 4-hour bullish candles, we found one pin bar, second beautiful reversal setup, and the third one bearish engulfing candle, right? This setup has engulfed 1, 2, 3 setups on the side, right? Now if I just draw the volume, I could see that the price was actually pushing up, but then this push up on the side was having very low volume, right? This push up did not have a lot of volume, which told me that buyers are not further interested in this push, right? So sometimes I also look into the volume to see what's going on and how we can find better correspondence for our analysis. Now on a smaller time frame, I want the price to come down maybe to this level and give us a retest to any of this area and looking for a sell setup. If I find rejection again and retest to this level, rejection, then we can expect the price to continue moving down. Either it is going to be 1786 area anywhere on this trend line, or we are going to find resistance on the previous important significant levels of 1775, 1777-ish area, or if we are going to continue moving down and fill and correct the whole move up and then take a buy position from here again to retest any of these area and continue moving the downside, because we can also see we are on daily kind of forming a head and shoulder pattern, right? So if I'm going to draw this head and shoulder pattern from here, what do you see? Either we can come back down all the way to here or even further down. Look at that, right? This could be also interesting if we find this move. People are saying that this could be the Santa Claus rally to the top side, and that is also a possibility that we, before continuing the move further down all the way, come up, take out these sellers, right? Come up and take out these sellers, go a bit higher anywhere between these two levels, and then return down from that side. So we can expect some sort of up and down volatility, just like it happened on the left hand side, right? Just like that. So it can tap into this area or this area a few times before making a final move down, if that is what is going to happen, right? Otherwise, on the top level, we see right here. Okay, these are the important levels that we can see here. 50, 1850, which is very, very, very important level. If it wants to come up, it can come up. It never did the break of structure retest to this area, right? It never did the break of structure to this zone. So maybe we can come up to this level and continue the move up and then get rejected from that side, but does not look very likely to me. I find it difficult that this price action is going to cross anything. It could be a wake up to somewhere here, and it could be ranging within this area, wake up to this level, and then continuation to the downside maybe. But let's see which setup we are going to play with. I am going to suggest you, please never marry your analysis. Do not pick a biased, only react to the price action, right? And follow my Telegram, Discord, because I put up updates very quickly. And I do my live session with the private group as well. So we are already all the time looking at the gold charts, and we have a very good understanding of what's happening on a smaller time frame. We try to take an entry, find the right positions, and then carry out our trades. So please be careful, manage risk, and secure your profits. Do not give it back to the market, right? Once you secure a position, do not give it back to the market, and trade wisely. And have a nice Christmas break, those who are not trading at this time and looking for a holiday season, right? So thank you so much. This is all what we have right now. We'll catch you later with the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.